Hi, my name is Lisa. I'm a travel writer and I have a background in digital marketing, so I love everything marketing, SEO. I'm a massive fan of ChatGPT. And this video, honestly, is completely unplanned because this morning I found something that has revolutionized the way I make affiliate links, and I'm pretty happy about it and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So one of the problems that I have as a travel writer is that making affiliate links can be incredibly tedious, especially if you want to go direct. Like let's say booking.com. I know that there are third-party platforms, like for instance travel payouts, that help you make better links, and as long as you just go via them. As you can see, I'm part of travel payouts as well. I don't use them for booking, because if that third party platform either stops or stops working with booking.com, I will have to change all my links, and I don't want to do that. I've done that once before. It was horrible. It took me 2 months to change out all the links, and I don't want to do it again. So I always go direct for platforms or for affiliates that make me a lot of money. Now, if you look at booking.com, you can see that it's not the most user-friendly platform. So the first thing you have to do is you have to choose what you want to make an affiliate link for, then the country, so let's say United Kingdom, then the city, let's say London, and you already can choose between the city of London or London. So and the problem is that you don't always know where it is, or that if you don't go with large cities or you go with regions, like for instance the Cotswolds or the New Forest, you kind of have to see for every single property where it's located, or you have to go countrywide and then you have to use a search box. But then obviously there's 75,000 pubs in the UK that are called the King's Arms, and then you have to find out which one it is. So I just don't think that the platform is very user-friendly. Especially this morning, I was looking up some affiliate links, and basically Booking.com gave me a 500 error. It happens a lot. So let's say Hilton, instead of giving me the links for all the Hilton hotels, it just says error 500. I'm broken, basically. And I was really annoyed. So I thought, hey, there needs to be a different way to do this. Maybe I can actually use ChatGPT to help me. And I did. So I have 2 ways that you can make affiliate links with ChatGPT that are literally going to revolutionize the way you make affiliate links. So first of all, I came up with a prompt that you can use in order to make affiliate links. So for booking.com, and you can do this for every single affiliate platform that just adds on a little thing to your URL, like for instance get your guide as well. So for booking.com, I asked, I want you to make some affiliate links for me. I will provide you with a link from the domain of booking.com. I want you to paste this, and this is your affiliate ID. So here. All right, and if you go to the partner center, you will actually see that this is basically what's copy pasted here. So booking.com did this for you already, but it's just a lot harder to get to. Yeah. So paste this. So what I highlighted after the URL I have provided, it will look like this, and then I gave it an example of URL, and then paste it again. The affiliate idea, the rooms, and the adults. Whenever I provide you with a link from the domain of booking.com, I want you to do this for me. Is that clear? Okay, so when we ask ChatGPT to do this, and as you can see, you can just do it on 3.5. Don't have to be pro. You don't have to have a pro account. You can just use it on the free one. It basically comes back and says, yes, I understand your request. So the good thing about this is because we said only take it until the HTML here. Because we set that, the good thing is that we can basically copy paste massive links. So let's go back. This is a massive link. Normally you would have to go like this but here you can just paste it and it gives you the affiliate link. And if you go and test it, there we go. It gives the same results as you would have with a normal booking.com affiliate link. So it brings you to a results page with that room or that hotel on top. Okay. The good thing about this is that if you are a frazzle mind, a frazzle brain like me, and you think that adding affiliate links into your post is mind-numbing, like me, you often forget to add affiliate links to certain parts of the thing, and you have to go back and make a new link or make the same link. And the fact that you have all your links in one chat, that you can just use F and you can say Hilton because the name of the hotel is in the link. So you can easily search for the affiliate links that you've made, which is easy peasy lemon squeezy. Like I said, you can do this for Get Your Guide as well. Same deal. Just ask it to paste the partner idea. So I want you to make some affiliate links for me. I will provide you with a link from a domain of getyourguide.com. I want you to paste this, and this is just the partner idea. After the URL provided, it will look like this. And then again, gave it an example. Whenever I provide you with a link from the domain of getyourguide.com, I want you to do this for me. Is that clear? It works the same way. Now, Get Your Guide, I would say that the user experience on their platform is a lot better. But I would still say that making affiliate links can be quite hard because you have to like click a lot and then have to wait until the little box is loaded and everything. It's fine. This is just a lot faster. Now, yesterday I watched a YouTube video on bookmarklets. Now, what are bookmarklets? I had no idea. I just found out as well. Bookmarklets are just like a piece of JavaScript that you put in a bookmark and you can have it run on a page and it will do some stuff for you. Whether it is reading some stuff, copying some stuff, it will do stuff for you. I will link the video that I saw yesterday below, just because it is actually quite interesting, especially if you have a product-heavy blog. I would recommend watching it because it's kind of cool. Anyway, so what I did was I just asked it to make that bookmarklet. I want you to create a bookmarklet. I want it to take the URL right up to HTML and ignore anything after it. I want it to add, and this is the exact same thing as I added in the prompt that I showed you earlier, to that part of the URL, and then copy that result to clipboard. Very important, copy that result to clipboard. It should look something like this. And here we have an example that I just took from the Partner Center. And then basically ChatGPT, and this has to be ChatGPT 4, very important. ChatGPT just created the JavaScript for me. Now, as an example, how do you make a bookmarklet? You basically copy the code and you go to a new tab. Now what I would do is I would just add a new bookmark, let's say test affiliates, there we go, and then add it to the bookmarks bar. Now what we're going to do is we are going to right click on it and then we're going to edit it, and then this is the name, this is the URL normally, but instead of the URL we are going to copy paste that JavaScript. There we go. So now you have your bookmark here, and let's say we're going to go to a booking.com property, and then I can just click here, test affiliate. It says new URL, copy to clipboard. And then when we go and have a look, we see that we have indeed a booking.com affiliate link, and it brings us again to the exact same page that we were on before. Sometimes it brings you, like you can see, sometimes it brings you to the property, sometimes it brings you to an overview. It's kind of a roll of a dice, but in this case it brought me to the property. So yeah, that's how you do it. That's how easy it is. So let's just go to this one. Let's have a look. And then we test affiliate, URL is copied, and then we have the exact same URL. And it can do that for any single booking.com room or property or accommodation, even when booking.com is not currently offering them on their platform. So sometimes, you see a hotel and they say this hotel is not currently giving any, or not currently offering any accommodation on a platform, but you kind of do want to include it because it's cool. But obviously on the partner center, it doesn't show up. So you can still do that with the bookmarklet, which is amazing. And you can do the same for Get Your Guide. I've done the same here. I want you to create a bookmarklet. I want it to take the URL. I want it to add, and then again, the thing I explained in the prompt to it, to the URL, and then copy that result to the clipboard. It should look something like this, because on Get Your Guide, most of them are only up until here. So I kind of thought to make it easier. So yeah, that's how I am currently making my affiliate links. It has, like I said, revolutionized the way I make my affiliate links. Everything is so much faster. What I will do is I will copy paste the prompts down below in the description, and then you can just copy paste them and then just change them as you need it for your affiliate ID and whatever not. So yeah, that's it basically. That's how I am using ChatGPT and bookmarklets to make affiliate links. I hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you found this helpful, share it with other bloggers just to help each other and make each other's lives a bit easier. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you next time.